Set this set of non-insulated connectors and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you're going to get and let's check them out. Comes in this little container, but you're going to get a variety of items. So this is heat shrink tubing, some pretty thick pieces here. Here's some others. These are 1/4 inch. And then here are the connectors. Got some mass to them. They're heavy. So they're made out of pure copper. You can definitely feel it. 3-to-1 heat shrink tubing is included with a brazed seam between the sides of the conductor here. So let's see here. So non-insulated meaning there's no protective cover on the outside of these. There's no plastic piece at all. What you're going to do with these, you see that little divider there. Let's get this focused up. See that little divider there? You're going to place your wire into this side to the center, and then here to the center, and crimp down on each, and slide your heat shrink tubing across, and you'll be ready to go. So let's go ahead and I'll demo this, how this would work. Now these come in different sizes. You're going to want to get the ones that are appropriate for the wire that you're going to be using. For this one here, I don't know exactly what size these were, but these will work with a variety of gauges of wire, just based on how much opening I have available on that. So let's get this demo going for you. So what I've got here, I've got just a simple electrical wire in orange and another one in red, and I'm going to combine these two here together. I'm going to use this non-insulated conductor. I'm going to go ahead and slide one of these heat shrink tubes over. Got to always remember to do that first so you don't lock yourself out. I'm going to put the first one in here like so, and then I'm going to crimp that. All right, and I got my crimper here. I'm going to use this particular set of teeth on this. So I'm going to go ahead, find a good spot where that will rest. It's probably the best one right there. Just going to set that where it needs to be. And then ratchet that down. And I got a nice pinch on there. You can see that divot in the conductor there. Now let's do our other side. Got a nice good connection there, nice and strong. I like the way that these bend into place. Then I'm going to just slide my heat shrink tubing over here like this. Let's heat it up. And that's it. We got a good connection there. We got good rubber seal all the way around. Look at that heat shrink tubing, how well that consolidated onto there and really wrapped around that connection. Really nice rubbery, good feel to it. And this is going to be electrical connection that's going to withstand the elements and it's going to hold. Hey, I hope that helped to learn a little bit more about this non-insulated connector set. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.